So we are doing something really fun today, and it was inspired by chefs Julia and Bridget at America's Test Kitchen. Got to spend a little time with them a couple weeks ago, and they were telling me about how they do taste testing. So that is the inspiration for our Have the Crew Identify the Actual Cinnabon roll. And what we have here are 2 different Cinnabon roll hacks. One has just cream, the other one has butter and cinnamon in it, and then the third one is the original Cinnabon. So let's do it. Our first contestant is Samantha, our hair and makeup artist. Come on in, Sam. Woohoo! All right. Now, Sam has been tasked with identifying the original Cinnabon. We're gonna have you taste each one and then just place your flag.
All right.
All right, there you go, come on. It's a big piece. And cinnamon roll number 3. Okay, your final decision.
All right, it was really hard.
Yes.
But I think I have an idea
All right,
of what the
all right.
original is.
All right, go
I'm
for it.
gonna pick the middle one.
All right. We have more tasters, so we will reveal the truth after everyone else comes in. Contestant number 2 is Derek, the cameraman. Come on in, Derek. Woohoo! Here he is. Yay! Now, Derek has been tasked with identifying the viral hack. Pick up your fork and go with the first one there.
This piece?
Yeah. That's what I like. He is not afraid to put that whole piece in his mouth.
We gotta get.
Taste number 2.
I'm very particular about the piece I pick out too.
Oh, down. Cinnamon roll down. There we go. You got it. You got it. Number 3 is up.
Okay. I think this is the hack with all the extra stuff on the judge.
There you have it. Thank you, Derek.
Thank you, thank you.
Our third and final contestant is Zach, who is our director of photography. Come on in, Zach. Zach has been tasked with determining which one is the best bun. So start with this one.
Okay.
And you need to get the full flavor.
What makes the best bun, is it the texture or the flavor?
Yeah, I mean, and you don't have any icing on that one.
I know, but I'm tasting the bun.
All right. He is being very, specific here. Okay. And last but not least, our third bun.
Best buns goes.
Woohoo! All right, thank you, Zach. All right, and now we have the reveal. Sam did get the original correct. This is the original Cinnabon, but Derek chose not the viral, he chose, it is a hack, it's a Cinnabon hack, but this one added cream only to the cinnamon roll. And then Zach's best buns actually was the hack that is viral with extra cinnamon, extra butter, and extra brown sugar. So there you have it. I want to give just a big shout out to the crew. They were all great. If you enjoyed this little taste testing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and we'll see you again soon on another episode of the Baking Journal.